Welcome the our channel. Today we how to deploy health workshops with Weight Watchers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin deploying health workshops with Weight Watchers, identify your target audience. Research their specific health and wellness needs. Next, secure a partnership with your local Weight Watchers organization. Reach out to Weight Watchers to discuss resources and support available for workshops. Once you have the partnership, select a suitable location for your workshop. Ensure the venue is accessible and has the necessary equipment. Plan the content of your workshop around Weight Watchers principles. Incorporate topics such as mindful eating, goal setting, and nutrition education. Create engaging materials to support your presentation. This could include handouts, visuals, or interactive activities. Schedule the workshop at a time convenient for your audience. Promote the event through social media, flyers, and community boards. Encourage early registration to gauge interest and attendance. On the day of the workshop, arrive early to set up the space. Ensure that all equipment is functioning correctly. Begin the workshop by introducing yourself and the goals for the session. Engage participants by asking questions and encouraging discussion. Facilitate activities that allow participants to practice what they learn. Provide resources for continued support after the workshop. Consider offering follow-up sessions or check-ins to track progress. Finally, gather feedback from participants to improve future workshops. Evaluate the success of your workshop against your initial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.